Hinchong Social Welfare Society NGO extended financial aids to Mohan Singnar, the village headman of Upper Deopani Bura Singnar village falling under 24 Deopani constituency. He had suffered severe injury after he accidentally stabbed his left foot on a sharp edge of a bamboo. It was informed that his severe injury on his left foot had swollen due to infection, and therefore Mohan Singnar was unable to walk as well as work for his living. On hearing this news, Hinchong Social Welfare Society NGO came forward to extend some humanitarian aid towards the victim and his family. It was also informed that victim's wife, Pudang Ronghangpi, would be very appreciative if warm-hearted citizens would wish to contribute some monetary assistance to the treatment of her ailing husband. She also appeals to the local MSC, MLA and CEM of Carbon Autonomous Council to extend financial assistance to meet up the financial expenses for the treatment of her ailing husband. Warm-hearted citizens who would wish to contribute financial assistance for the treatment of Mohan Singnar may contribute on the following account details shown on the screen. Account number 743-401-0179-372 IFSC UTBIO RRBABG. Address Upper Deopani, PO Joprajan PS Borpathar, Karbi Anglong Assam. Anantarong's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.